Now I wrote him for a 6-month delayed sentence.
On what?
On supply false information to police officer and
Okay, that's not, I'm talking about Dwight Davison, and that's not the right person.
I've got him. I'm looking at his file right now. Dwight Davison Jr.
I don't have those charges. It says this is Dwight Davison Richard.
Yep, that's what I've got.
Well, I only have no insurance, suspended license, and no registration. So yes, have you got an offer for him?
Yeah, so he had another one from January. It's supply false information to police officer, stop vehicle for expired plate. Passenger defendant had no seatbelt, provided name of Deshaun Warren Darrell Mitchell, date of birth, not his date with his date of birth. So that's just a 6-month delayed sentence because I really, that's kind of, that's a problem nowadays.
Does it have any ramifications on his license?
That I'm not sure of.
Well, I think it probably does.
Yeah.
Which aren't going to drop off. All right, so then you would dismiss his other tickets?
Yep.
Okay,
Yep.
then
Failure to display and 6-month delayed on that one. The current tickets that you see on the docket, they were from April of this year, and then that other one was from January of this year.
So how many are you going to dismiss?
2 for 2.
Oh yeah, we'll see about that. Okay, so the other one is Demetrius Ridley. I told him you would probably give him improper plate.
I think so. I can't remember.
Okay, anyway.
Yeah, but I did put offers in the file, and so you guys, y'all can bang it out there.
Okay.
I have no issues. That probably was the only one that struck me, was that false information. Everything else, hey, I'm cool with. And then the one guy who has a U ticket from 2018 consuming.
Yes.
Okay, that's a dismissal. I mean, that was 5 years ago.
Trying to figure out who that was. Oh, that was. All right, when I come across it, I'm sure I asked for a trial date on it. So the disorderly conduct, Aaron Roberts, is that what you're talking about?
I think that's it. Yeah.
Okay, it's a U ticket.
Yeah, from 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, it was consuming alcohol in public.
Thank you.
Mr. Michael Davis, I'm put you in breakout room 16. Okay, 36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, walking, talking, sleeping, driving, smoking, or eating. When your name is called, please give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Pellin. This is the People versus Aurelio Rayner, ticket number Z8082011. We're here for a probation review on operating under the influence. Good morning, please say your name to the record, starting with Probation Officer Thomas.
Morning, Your Honor. Officer Joseph Thomas on behalf of the Probation Department.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Mr. Rayner. Good morning.
Morning.
Say your name, Mr. Rayner.
Aurelio Marquise Rayner.
Officer Thomas.
Good morning, Your Honor. Defendant was placed on 12-month probation back on June 22nd of last year. He has completed alcohol highway safety. He's watched consequences. He has provided me with verification of employment as he was originally ordered to do. Where he stands today is he still has to complete the victim impact panel. He still has a balance of $640 on this case, and he needs to complete outpatient treatment. So I would just ask for a 90-day adjournment to allow him enough time to complete his remaining conditions.
All right, Ms. Soroki, your response.
No objection.
Okay, so you're almost completed, Mr. Rayner, but there's a few things that you still need to complete before you're done with your probation can be discharged. So we're gonna come back on September 21st at 8:35. And that should be the day that you should be there, because I know you're gonna do everything that you're supposed to do to complete
Yes.
this, and then we will be discharging you on that day. All
Okay.
right?
All right,
Did you have
thank you. Pardon me?
any question?
No, ma'am.
All right, so you
Thank you, Your Honor.
are all set. Thank you, Officer Thomas, and good luck to you, Mr. Rayner, and I will see you on September 21st.
Okay, thank you.
All right, enjoy the rest of your summer, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, you all right?
Mr.
Oh,
Dewey,
man, I'm trying to be, man, staying out the way.
Judge,
You know,
I can't let him in. I mean, he just, listen, he just,
You're doing a whole lot.
So
Go ahead and get whoever you want, Mr. Wong.
I'm gonna bring the people out that are ready, so,
do that.
oh, yeah.
And Mr. Rainey, we're done with you. We'll see
Okay.
you in September.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. I'm removing.
Okay.
Okay, you gotta remain in the camera. Your whole face gotta be in the camera, Ms. Rowland. I'm
Okay.
open court as soon as the attorney bring everyone out. Everyone, please turn on the cameras, yes, and stay in the camera. Ms. Duffy, the judges on the bench, please remain in the camera.
Okay. Damn.
Okay, I'm putting everyone on mute, and when the judge calls your name, unmute your device. Just unmute. Okay, I'm gonna put you on mute, Mr. Robertson, till the judge call your name, then unmute your device. Everyone, I'm waiting for the attorney to come back, then I'm open court. Mr. Okay, hold on, let me bring out, hold on. And for, Corporal Hayward did show up, Ms. Soroki, for Mr.
Yeah, he said he had another courtroom to, go to.
That's in for dismissal, Your Honor. He's got his documents. That's a document dismissal.
Yeah, and he's here anyway, so I'm just letting you. Okay, could everyone please remain in the camera, because I'm about to open court. 36th District Court is now back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, talking, reading, eating, sleeping, smoking, driving, or eating. You can be in and out of the camera. And when your name is called, please unmute your device and give your full attention to the court. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. All right, this is the People versus Brian Diskin, ticket number SP 1449090, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, and ticket number SP 1449088, count 1, expired plates, count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Corporal Hayward.
Good morning, Corporal Hayward, badge 1004, Detroit Police Department.
Your Honor, good morning. Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Brian Diskin.
Yes, Brian Diskin.
Your Honor, today is trial date. The officer is here. My client presented a proof of insurance dated 10/16/2023 and a registration that expires on May 5th, 2024. I'm going to move for dismissal of all three matters.
Right, obviously, Corporal Hayward, seeing that Mr. Diskin does have valid documentation, you are okay with these matters being dismissed without prejudice?
Yes, ma'am, I'm okay with it.
You stipulate your proper cause, Mr. Roki.
So stipulated.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice, as Mr. Diskin has provided valid documentation. You are all set, Mr. Diskin. Good luck to you, sir. And thank you, Corporal Hayward.
Have a
Thank you
good day,
very much, Your Honor. Thank you, Officer Hayward.
Mr. Roberts, you have to remain in the camera and you have to be seated.
Thank you. Good luck, sir. All right, this is the People versus Janae Rowland, ticket number SP 1444145, count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Morning, please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Janae Rowland.
Yes, Janae Rowland.
Your Honor, Ms. Rowland did provide a certificate of insurance that expires on 10/11/2023. I'm moving for dismissal of this matter, and I'd stipulate probable cause.
All right, this matter is dismissed without prejudice, as Ms. Rowland has provided valid documentation. You are all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. This is the People versus Shaquila Davis, ticket number 2373211, count 1, failed to stop for oncoming traffic. And hold on one moment. That's it. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Yes, Your Honor.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroki, on behalf of Ms. Davis. On my docket, I only see a ticket for no insurance.
You know what, that, yes. Okay. The other, it says no proof of insurance, but they marked misdemeanor, so it is no insurance misdemeanor. Let me read that one. Ticket number 237321112. Account one, no insurance misdemeanor.
And so count two is what? Is there a count two?
So that's on an entirely different ticket. It's a civil infraction.
That's in default, I'm assuming.
It is.
Is it an old default?
It's from March.
I would ask the court to consider setting that aside, and then we could just set both matters for a trial date, because I mean, Miss
Right.
Smith, she does have her insurance today, Miss Davis, but that's a.
The offer is limited access.
All right, Miss Davis,
Yes.
so we can get your no insurance ticket dismissed today, and they'll take your other ticket out of default and give you limited access, so it's not going to be any points, but it'll show on your record, okay? I think you
Okay.
should accept that.
Okay.
So, Your Honor, at this time, I'm going to stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis on the civil infraction and ask that the insurance matter be dismissed due to documentation.
So they probably cause after that.
So stipulated.
Alright, so the ticket number ending in 112 is dismissed without prejudice. Ticket number ending in 110 is amended to limited access 1 to 5, and we will proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $125. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay the civil infraction or pay the fine. So can you have it paid by July 6th?
Yes, Your Honor.
July, we'll do the 7th.
Help you. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so we'll do July 7th. Did you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Oh, and just for the record, Ms. Zorogi, the civil infraction, you're moving for the court to set aside the default judgment.
Correct, Your Honor.
The court will set aside that default judgment.
Thank you.
So you're all set, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
This is the people versus Najee Duffy, ticket number SP 1427727. Count 1, no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning. Please state your names for the
Yeah.
record.
Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Ms. Duffy. Ms. Duffy, please state your name.
Najee Duffy. I'm here.
Your Honor, Ms. Duffy provided an insurance certificate that expires on 12/16/2023. I move for dismissal of this matter, and I'd stipulate to probable cause.
All right, she did have a civil infraction of 6 to 10 over posted speed. It's from January. If you move to set the default judgment aside, the offer is blockade.
Ms. Duffy, so
Yes.
right now you have a ticket that carries at least 1 point. If we can set the default aside and change it to impeding traffic blockading, which is no points and doesn't show on your record. Do you want to accept that?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, I would stipulate to the face of the complaint as a factual basis for the civil infraction.
All right, so that was ticket number SP 1427726, count 1, 6 to 10 miles per hour over posted speed. The court will accept the admission of responsible and will amend that to blockading. We will proceed, and the other ticket is dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There is a fine of $175. Because this is a civil infraction, you have 14 days to pay this fine. So can you have it paid by July 7th?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you don't pay it, it won't close out and it'll go back into the phone. So make sure you get it. You'll approve like late fees. So you are all set. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Luke Redmond. Ticket number SP 14444, count one, fraudulent false insurance information. Ticket number SP 1314441, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket number SP 1378696, count one, no insurance misdemeanor. And ticket number 21494261, count one, drove while license suspended. And then it looks like there's some other tickets. Oh, I think these aren't involved. Hold on one moment. There is another misdemeanor. Let me see what's going on with this. Sure, but it's a ticket number at 19398 170, count one, no operator's license on person. Good morning, please say your name.
Your Honor, Pauline Soroka, on behalf of Luke Redmond, at this time I move all bench warrants be set aside.
All right, we'll set aside any warrants. Say your name, sir.
Luke Redmond, Your Honor.
Your Honor, at this time, Mr. Redmond's entering a plea and not guilty, requesting a bench trial date. If any of those civil infractions happened during 2023, I'm going to ask the court to set the default aside and set them along with the main tickets.
Yeah, no, they're not.
Okay, thank you.
All right, raise your right hand, sir. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do, Your Honor.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
Okay, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Thank you. All right, the court's going to continue your not guilty plea. Send this matter for a bench trial on July 10th at, not jury trial. 11th, July 11th, I'm sorry, at 9 o'clock.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, may I be excused for 10 minutes, please?
Yes.